Hi, Paul Hanson here with you once again. You may have heard me talk about the Partner with Anthony program before, but I wanted to follow up with some additional comments and a little deeper inside look as to why this program produces, and probably most importantly, why it creates a firm foundation for anyone who's looking to succeed online. Now, I know that sounds like typical hype, but stay with me for a minute. First of all, Anthony Morrison is not a fly-by-night entrepreneur who is attempting to dazzle you with a bunch of phony claims. Not at all. He has made millions and has been doing it for well over a decade, and doing it all online. Also, just the mere fact of being able to work side by side with a successful multi-millionaire brings a whole new level of awareness to what most other programs do not offer. Then it gets down to a question of cost versus value. A lesson that I learned a long time ago was the difference between cost and value, for sure. The first thing most of us think about, if we're honest with ourselves, is what does it cost? But the better question is, what is it worth? The difference between cost and worth, that's really where the rubber meets the road. Just so you don't go running off, what if I told you you could enroll with Partner with Anthony for less than 2 bits a day? That's less than a quarter. Yes, 25 cents a day. Now you may say, well, if it costs so little, what could it be worth? Well, I'm going to tell you that the value is unprecedented in comparison to the price you'll pay. And look, you don't even have to take my word for it. Just read all the testimonials and reviews that are posted daily about the Partner with Anthony program. So, here's what I want to do. Rather than me telling you about it, let me pull back the curtain a little bit and show you what you get for a whole $7 a month. Okay, so here we are on my Partner with Anthony website. As you see, we have menu options across the top here that you'll get explained, of course, during the sessions. And then down along the left-hand side are the individual sessions. When you click on a session, it'll open up to different chapters, if you will, within each session. And then some of the chapters, of course, are basic overview, and others who instruct and encourage you to study and practice what Anthony is teaching, and he does it in a step-by-step fashion. Now, these sessions are delivered in a video format, so the impact can be delivered. And even though you can probably find much of what Anthony is teaching in his books and others as well, I know that most people would rather engage with a video than read a book. At least that's for me. Video engages, and you'll feel like Anthony is speaking directly to you and connecting with your needs while you progress through each chapter or each session. You'll also notice that there are 30 sessions, if I roll down here, already compiled on here, which means that if you are eager and plan accordingly, you could actually complete 30 sessions in 1 month's time. And you know what that would cost you? A whole $7, right? Unbelievable. Heck, I've spent that much on a bad lunch. The cool part is that while you're being instructed by Anthony, he is also compelling you to start your business and shows you what to do and where to start making sales for yourself while you're learning. There's a better than average chance that you'll be in the black before you finish with session 30. Here's what inside the sessions look like. I'm just going to pop on one here. So here you got an example of a success story. So, and this is exactly what you're going to see inside. And here's And all of this is laid out with Anthony doing the majority of the teaching and also inviting some well-known guests as part of the training as well. Well, basically, that's it. I believe the only reason you wouldn't want to join and spend a whole $7 on this training is that you simply have no interest in producing anything online. And if that's the case, so be it. But if you're listening and watching this for the reasons I think you are, then join us. There's a link below where you can hear from Anthony himself and where you can simply enroll with us and start your online journey to success. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to welcoming you in the Partner with Anthony program.